Hi there, I'm Chris Cunna, Application Specialist here with AXYZ. Today I'm out on the floor, we're showcasing our high-powered oscillating knives here. We have two versions. We have our straight high-power oscillating knife. We also have our high-power oscillating knife that can be set to an angle, or what we're calling our swivel high-power knife. So we have some duct board here material, some 3/4 inch ducting foam insulation, and we're going to be using our 45 angle knife here and the straight knife to power through this material and create some corners using some 45 grooves.